You're watching Tech Fact, where smart tech meets real life, and today we're diving into the outdoor security cameras that are shaping 2026. If you've ever wanted to know exactly who's walking near your home, what's happening around your driveway, or how to protect your space with confidence, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the most powerful, reliable, and feature-packed outdoor security cameras available right now. Each one has been chosen for its performance, clarity, smart detection, and real-world usability. If this kind of tech content helps you make better choices, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Drop a like if home security matters to you and leave a comment telling us which camera you are most excited to see. Number 5. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro. The Ring Spotlight Cam Pro shines in areas where visibility matters most. What sets it apart is the combination of strong built-in lighting and intelligent motion detection that's tuned to reduce false alerts while picking up people and vehicles quickly. When motion is spotted, the powerful spotlight comes on instantly, illuminating the scene so nighttime video is detailed and easy to interpret. Two-way talk means you can speak to someone at your door from anywhere, and the siren adds an extra layer of deterrence to unwanted guests. The camera's weatherproof design handles outdoor elements reliably, and various power options, battery or wired with accessories, give you installation flexibility. While cloud storage and advanced video history features come through Ring's subscription plans, even without them you get real-time alerts, live view, and dependable performance night and day. If your priority is strong lighting and actionable motion alerts that keep you informed and in control, this Spotlight Cam Pro makes outdoor security both powerful and approachable for everyday homeowners. Number 4. Wyze Cam Pan V3. The Wyze Cam Pan V3 packs impressive features into a friendly, budget-wise package that's perfect for outdoor coverage. Its pan and tilt design lets the camera sweep across a wide area automatically or on demand through the app, giving you expansive surveillance without blind spots. You'll get clear footage that's easy to review, and motion tracking keeps the subject centered in view as it moves across your yard. The spotlight coupled with advanced night vision means the camera stays useful even in low light, while two-way audio lets you interact with visitors or deter intruders in real time. It's weather-rated so rain or shine won't slow it down, and setup is straightforward even if you're not a tech expert. For those who want good-looking video and smart tracking without spending a fortune, the Wyze Cam Pan V3 brings serious value. Its app makes navigation and playback a breeze, and local storage options mean you aren't forced into subscription fees just to see what happened. Overall, this is one of the most versatile and cost-effective outdoor cameras available. Number 3. Google Nest Cam Battery. The Google Nest Cam with battery power is built for simplicity and intelligence. This camera is weather-resistant and fully wireless, so you can mount it almost anywhere without worrying about outlets or cables. It delivers smooth HD video with HDR, helping you capture crisp images whether it's sunny or overcast. One of the Nest Cam's biggest strengths is its smart alert system. It can detect people, animals, and vehicles, then send notifications that actually tell you what's happening so you can react right away. Because it works within the Google ecosystem, it's easy to control and integrate with your other smart devices like Nest speakers or displays. Two-way audio lets you talk back through the camera, and you can fine-tune activity zones so you only get alerts from important areas like your driveway or back porch. Battery life is solid, giving you weeks of operation before a recharge. While optional subscription plans can expand video history and unlock advanced recognition like familiar faces, the core features make Nest Cam a polished, reliable choice for DIY outdoor security that just works. Number 2. Arlo Pro 5S. The Arlo Pro 5S takes your outdoor security up a notch with sharp 2K HDR video that brings out real detail in both bright daylight and dim night scenes. With full-color night vision, you're not just seeing silhouettes in the dark, you're seeing real color footage that helps you identify faces or license plates clearly. The camera connects over dual-band Wi-Fi for stronger, more reliable connectivity, and its battery-powered design makes installation easy anywhere around your home. Built-in features like two-way audio let you speak through the camera from your phone, and a loud siren can deter unwelcome visitors instantly. Motion detection is smart and adjustable so you only get alerts for what matters most. One of its best features is a powerful digital zoom that lets you pull in on distant details without pixelation. While advanced cloud features may require an optional subscription, the core experience is robust and intuitive. For anyone who wants high-quality, responsive outdoor video with flexible placement and deep zoom, the Pro 5S is a top choice. Number 1. Reolink Argus 4 Pro. The Reolink Argus 4 Pro is a standout outdoor security camera for 2026 because it blends huge coverage with stunning video clarity. This camera shoots in true 4K resolution and uses two lenses to capture a massive 180-degree field of view, meaning you'll cover almost your entire yard with just one unit. It runs on a battery that's paired with an included solar panel, so you won't be constantly taking it down to recharge. Recording happens when there's motion, and you can save footage locally on a microSD card or push it to FTP or NAS, so you're not locked into expensive cloud fees. The camera has color night vision and solid weather resistance, making it reliable in rain, heat or cold. It also integrates nicely with Alexa and Google Home for smart home automation. Overall, if you want a high-resolution outdoor guardian that covers wide spaces without cables, the Argus 4 Pro delivers pro-level performance with flexible storage and power options for DIY setups. That wraps up our look at the top outdoor security cameras of 2026 here on Tech Fact. From sharp video quality to smart motion detection and reliable outdoor performance, these cameras prove how far home security has come. If one of them stood out to you, let us know in the comments because your feedback helps guide future videos. If this breakdown helped you understand what to look for, tap the like button and share it with someone who cares about home safety. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next tech drop, and we'll see you again with more facts that make smart choices easier.